Welcome back again to Unleashing Your Potential. Today we are learning how money works. Many of us use money daily, but are still learning how it works. Learning about money isn't a sign of failure. It is a life skill. Learning can be slow. It can be practical. It can even start now. There is no right time to start learning financial management. It's always good and great to equip ourselves with knowledge, with information about finances. Asking questions changes confidence. Understanding creates calmness. The more you learn about how you manage your finances, how you can start with small amounts and you turn them into millions of money, how you can get even financial advisors. It makes one to build up financial knowledge and wisdom. Mindset around money, it invites open conversations at home. That means that financial management or money handling, it's no longer a big elephant in the room. You no longer get scared of talking about it. You no longer feel uncomfortable to make financial decisions. And in case at times it makes you a bit uncomfortable, you can also find a financial advisor to help you out. What is that one money lesson you're learning right now? Or you have even learned some time back? Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.